Friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now, friends. Welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, I will show you the live price prediction of Dogecoin. What's the price change goes and Dogecoin? What's the high price and what's the current status of Dogecoin in the cryptocurrencies markets? I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates video. Now let's see the price prediction. What's the change goes and a Dogecoin? What's the high price and what is the current status of Dogecoin? As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of previous last 2 hour of the last hour of the Dogecoin. As you can see here, the change positive 0.57% change occur in the Dogecoin, and the high price of Dogecoin is about $0.060069 is the high price of Dogecoin. So friends, if we look the charts of the Dogecoin, so now currently at this time Dogecoin are in the dumping. They are falling down. Their falling period starts now from this period, as you know on the screen. That is last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. What's the price change goes and what's the high price of the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. As you can see here, the previous hour period of Dogecoin is absolutely a good period. As you can see here, the previous hour they take a jumps. But unfortunately, if you look the current status of Dogecoin, so currently they are again ready for a big dump. So friends, the average change occur in the Dogecoin is about positive 1.23% change occur in the Dogecoin, and the high price of Dogecoin is about $0.060069 is the high price of Dogecoin and the last 2 hours. Now let's see what's the change goes and the last day. Let's see the last 1 day price prediction. What's the price change goes and the last 1 day. As you can see now on the screen, absolutely a bad news for all Dogecoin. As you can see here, the bad falling of Dogecoin occurred in the last 1 day. As you can see here, at the start of this last day, the falling starts now. As you can see here, absolutely a very bad dump occur in the Dogecoin in the last day. And in the middle of this day, they take a small jumps, and after a small jump, they again falling down. So it's a continuously process, but the average level, as you can see here, a very big jump occur in the Dogecoin. So the changes occur in the last 1 day as about negative 6.53% change occur in the Dogecoin and the last 1 day. And the high price of Dogecoin and the previous last day is about $0.066761 is the high price of Dogecoin. So the price prediction of the last 1 hour, last 2 hour in a 1 day tell us that they are in the falling period. As you can see here, the average level are in par. So my suggestion for all of Dogecoin holders, if you are a holder of Dogecoin, so please hold your Dogecoin with the aid of this month. Wait for your big time, wait for your big explosion of the Dogecoin. They will soon explode in the future. So hold your Dogecoin with the last of month, and if you want to buy it, absolutely a bad time to buy it. Don't buy it now. When they start the explosion, then it is the best time for you to buy Dogecoin. Please share your opinion in the comment box about Dogecoin, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.